In this vlog, we will try to know how to create static methods in Kotlin. So, have you heard static methods in Kotlin? So, I think you have heard them in Java, right? So, how we use these static methods in Kotlin? Is there a keyword static in Kotlin? So, if you want to clear all these doubts, follow this tutorial till the end and you will get a clarity on how to use static methods or how to declare static methods in Kotlin programming, just like we did in our Java. If you are a fresher and you don't understand what is a static method and why do we use it, so let's get through the Java coding part first. So let's create class hello, inside which we will try to create a method display, and currently I am not providing any statements inside the display method. So just when you want to make use of the display method, the general scenario is like you need to create an object here. So in this way you need to create an object in this way to make use of this method. So let's declare our main method. We will just move our object declaration into main method, and here hello dot you can get here display. So here using the object you can get hello dot display. So this is the way you can make use of the object which you have declared in the class hello. In order to directly make use of the method, instead of creating an object, there is a way using which you can create a static method. So declare it as a static method. So now public static void display. So this particular method is now a static method, and instead of this object creation here, you can just make use of the class hello dot display, and you can directly access the method instead of creating an object here. So this is a static method which we were discussing in the tutorial beginning, and I think you have got an idea of what is a static method and now how to make this possible in Kotlin. So in the same way, just create a class here. So I will be commenting this code because we will be using the same class name here again, and inside which let us declare a method display. Here I am just leaving it, I am not providing any statements inside the method. So here you can compare it, it's the same class and the same method here we have declared. And let us declare our main method, and using which now let us create an object for our class hello. So here we have created our object for our class hello, and using which you can get the display. But we need a static method, right? We don't want to create an object here. So how we can make use of the method without creating an object for it? So for which you need to add a companion object here, and you need to enclose your method inside this companion object. And now here just make use of the class name here hello, and you can just directly get the display method accessible. And now we have seen a creation of static methods in Java and also in Kotlin. And also we do know that Java code and Kotlin both are interoperable, so we can access Kotlin code inside the Java, and the Java code also you can access in Kotlin. So now let us try to access this method display in the Java code. so just to make sure that it's a static method declaration, so for which I'm going to uncomment the code here, and also I want to just rename our Kotlin class, rename to hello2 here, just to avoid the same name. So here inside we are using the display method which is declared inside the Java code. So this is a static method and I am removing this, and the moment I remove this, here you can see we got an error here. But when you come back to the Kotlin code, here the method is also display here, but we are not able to access that particular display method here. And what is the reason is like, you need to make the compiler know that this is a static method. So here for which we are going to provide at the rate JVM static. So now inside the Java code you need to rename it to hello2, and now you can get the method display working fine. So now as we have changed the class name in Kotlin, just make sure you add the same name in Java also to make use of the method display which is declared inside our Kotlin code here. But yes, still there is an error here. Display method is, we cannot resolve the method display in hello2. So hello2 is our Kotlin class file here, and though we are making it as a companion object, but our Java code is still not able to recognize it as a static method. So for making it understand it to be a static method, you need to provide at the rate JVM static. So you need to declare it as at the rate JVM static, and now when you get back to your Java code, you can see the error is no more. So in this way you can create a static method in Kotlin programming too, just like we create in our Java programming. And I hope you understood this tutorial, and don't get confused. In our previous tutorial we have seen object keyword, and now we are looking at companion object here in Kotlin. So the major difference is like, in by using object keyword we are creating a singleton class there. Instead of class we have provided object, but now we are trying to make a static methods using companion object here. So I hope this will clear your doubts, and if you have not gone through our previous tutorial on object, I am providing the link in the description section below. And yes, this is it for this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Kotlin.